So this is the tutorial 3, question 2. So we're told that there are 3 identical balls, A, B, and C. So these identical balls, so the first ball A was thrown at an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal, and the second one, ball B, was thrown horizontal with the initial velocity of 20 meters per second, and the third ball C was thrown at an angle below the horizontal with the 45 degrees. So all the initial velocities of all these balls, all the 3 balls, the initial velocity was the same. It was all 20 meters per second, 20 meters per second, 20 meters per second. So we want to find the final velocity of all the balls just an instant before they hit the ground. We are told that they are from the building which was the same height, so the change in y is the same. So our formula to find this final velocity, Vf squared is equal to V initial plus 2a change in y. So we can see that the initial velocity here is the same. Also our acceleration due to gravity is still the same. The height of the building is also still the same. So definitely we come to a conclusion that also the final velocities are going to be the same. Why? Because all the values which we are going to substitute for each and every Vf for ball A, Vf for ball C, and Vf for ball C, for ball B, they are all going to be the same values. So therefore we conclude that the final velocities of Va is equal to final velocity of Vb, which is equal to final velocity of Vc. However, the distance from building to where the ball hits the ground is not going to be the same. The change in x is not going to be the same, this distance. Okay, but the final velocity just before it hits the ground, that is the one that is going to be the same. Okay.